In this lecture, we would like to discuss about life insurance. So, as it is defined under Section 2, subsection 11 of the Insurance Act 1938, life insurance business means the business of effecting contracts of insurance upon human life. So it includes any contract whereby the payment of money is assured upon death, except death by accident only, or the happening of any contingency dependent on human life. Any contract which is subject to the payment of premium for a term dependent on human life. So also any contract which includes the granting of disability and double or triple indemnity, accident benefits, the granting of annuities upon human life, and the granting of superannuation allowances. So, life insurance, whether it is insurance or assurance, so in that context, the term insurance is reserved to contracts of indemnity, like fire and marine insurance, under which the contingencies insured may or may not happen. When the event is certain to happen, the time of occurrence only being uncertain, as in case of life insurance. So the term assurance is applied in case of life insurance. And life insurance is not a contract of indemnity, as it is fixed. It is a fixed amount that becomes payable on the happening of the specified event, for example, death, or on the expiry of a fixed period of time. The human life is incapable of being measured in terms of money. Therefore, the principle of indemnity can find no place in life insurance. And insurable interest in case of life insurance, here it is presence of an insurable interest is an essential prerequisite, otherwise the policy will be void. Anyone who has a pecuniary claim against the other or a legal right to support from him has an insurable interest in the life of the other. For example, a creditor has an insurable interest in the life of his debtor. Similarly, a child who is dependent upon his father has an insurable interest in the life of his father. So, the following could have been held to have insurable interests, such as oneself in one's own life, or in between wife and husband in each other's life. So, also it may be noted that other relations like children, parents, brothers, sisters, etc. have as such no insurable interest in the other's life. If therefore an insurable interest is claimed, some kind of pecuniary support must be established. So, this is called insurable interest, and as such, we found the very particular types of life policies. So, as such, the first one is the whole life policy, and whole life policy is exactly as specified sum becomes payable to the beneficiary only on the death of the assured. The rate of premium in this case is generally low. The premium has to be paid on this policy throughout the life of the assured. This type of insurance is the most suitable for family protection after the death of the earning member. And another type of life policy is the endowment life policy. This policy provides for the payment of a stated sum of money either on the attainment of a specified age or at death, whichever occurs earlier. And another kind of policy, that is the joint life policy. A policy may be effected upon the joint lives of two persons. For example, husband and wife or two partners in a firm. In this case, the assured sum becomes payable after the expiry of a certain period or on the death of any of the persons so assured. And another kind of type of life policy is children's deferred insurance. This policy is taken by the parents on the lives of their children with a view to providing funds for meeting the expenses of their education or marriage, or for giving a start in life when they come of age. And another type of life policy is double accident indemnity policy. According to this policy, if the assured dies because of an accident, his representatives will get double the amount of the policy. And another type of life policy is the group insurance policy. This policy is taken on the lives of the members of a family or by an employer to cover the lives of his employees. And the next type of life policy, that is annuity policy. In annuity policy, the amount of the policy is paid by way of annuities, fixed periodical payments for a specified number of years or till the death of the assured. And the next type of life policy is partnership assurance. In case of partnership, if any partner dies, the partnership is dissolved, and the remaining partners who desire to continue the same business will have to pay out the deceased partner's capital to his legal heirs. To pay such a large amount at once, the partners may find it difficult, and in order to provide for this contingency, they may take out a suitable life insurance. This is referred to as partnership assurance, and another kind of or type of life policy is the term assurance. In term assurance, the amount is made payable only when a person dies before a certain age. In this policy, the premium is low at the outset, but rises gradually with the passage of time. Sometimes, in terms of this policy, a provision is made for its conversion into a whole life or endowment policy. It is then called convertible term assurance policy. And as such, in life insurance policies, certain procedures are applied for effecting the insurance involving certain steps, such as among the procedures, the first one is proposal. So a person wishing to take out a policy has to fill up an insurance proposal form which is available from the offices of the Life Insurance Corporation of India or the insurance agents. He should furnish full particulars regarding his name, address, occupation, medical history, etc. And so another procedure for effecting life insurance is medical examination. So the Life Insurance Corporation, after receiving the proposal, will arrange the medical examination of the person seeking insurance. The doctor, who is authorized by the LIC, will examine the proposal and send his report directly to LIC. And another procedure for effecting life insurance is acceptance of the proposal. If LIC is satisfied with the doctor's report, it accepts the proposal and informs the person seeking insurance about the acceptance of the proposal. Along with the letter of acceptance, LIC also sends the first premium notice. Then the next procedure is the proof of age. The assured has to furnish satisfactory proof of age to LIC either along with the proposal form or immediately after the proposal form has been sent in. For proof of age, the assured may send his horoscope or a certificate from the municipal authorities or high school certificate or service register. And the next procedure for effecting the life insurance is the premium. The assured has to pay premium regularly to LIC for the policy taken. The premium amount may be paid monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or annually according to the convenience of the assured. If the premium is not paid even within the grace period, the policy may lapse. And the next procedure for effecting life insurance is the insurance policy. After the receipt of the first premium, the LIC prepares insurance policy containing the particulars such as name and address of the assured, age of the assured, amount of the policy, claim of policy, mode of payment of premium, nominee of the assured, etc., and sends the same to the assured. And these are the very procedures for effecting a life insurance policy. And now we'll discuss certain principles and practices as such regarding life insurance. So, one is the surrender value. If the assured is unable to continue payment of premium on his policy or for any other reasons whatsoever, he may surrender his policy before its maturity and get what is known as surrender value from the insurer. A policy, however, acquires a surrender value only after it has run for a certain number of years, and usually it is considered as 3 years. And another principle and practice followed, that is paid off value. If the assured is unable to pay off the premiums, either can surrender the policy or he can get it paid off. In the case of getting the policy paid off, the assured will be entitled to the total amount of the premiums paid till death. And another principle and practice regarding life insurance is suicide. The life policies usually contain a clause that no payment shall be made in case the assured commits suicide. In such case, the insurer can avoid the liability. But however, if the assured was insane and was incapable of appreciating the nature of his act, his self-destruction is not intentional, and therefore the insurance company shall be liable on the policy in spite of this clause. And another principle of practice, that is assignment of life insurance policy as per the provisions of section 38 of the Insurance Act of 1938. Life insurance policies are freely assignable like actionable claims. Life insurance policies are marketable commodities which can be validly assigned with or without consideration to persons who have no interest in the assured's life. Thus, life policies may be sold, mortgaged, or settled, but it must be followed certain procedures. As such, a transfer or assignment of a policy of life insurance, whether with or without consideration, may be made only by an endorsement on the policy itself or by separate instrument setting forth the fact of transfer of assignment signed by the transferor or his agent and attested by at least one witness. And also another procedure regarding assignment is the transfer or assignment shall become effectual and binding upon the insurer only after a notice in writing and endorsement on the instrument or a certified copy thereof is delivered to him. And as such, under the provisions of Section 38 of Insurance Act of 1938, the date on which the notice referred to above is delivered to the insurer shall regulate the priority of all claims under a transfer or assignment as between the persons interested in the policy, and also upon the receipt of notice the insurer shall record the fact of transfer together with the date and the name of the assignee. So also, from the date of notice, the insurer shall recognize the assignee named in the notice as the only person entitled to benefit under the policy. So also, an assignment in favor of a person made with the condition that it shall be inoperative or that the interest shall pass to some other persons on the happening of a certain event during the lifetime of the person whose life is insured, and an assignment in favor of the survivor of a number of persons are valid notwithstanding any law or custom to the contrary. And now we'll see another procedure and principle followed, and that is nomination by the policyholder as provided under Section 39 of the Insurance Act of 1939, which lays down the rules in connection with nomination by a policyholder. So, the holder of a policy of life insurance on his own life may, when effecting the policy or at any time before the policy matures for payment, nominate a person to whom the amount thereunder shall be paid after his death. Such nomination, in order to be valid, shall be either incorporated in the text of the policy or engrossed thereon and communicated to the insurer who shall register it. And a nomination can be cancelled or changed by a further endorsement on the policy or by a will. The insurer will be bound in such cases only after notice is given to him of the cancellation or change. So also, a transfer or assignment of a policy except an assignment to the insurer to secure a loan automatically cancels a nomination. And also where the policy matures for payment during the lifetime of the person whose life is assured, or where the nominee dies before the policy matures for payment, the amount shall be payable to the policy holder or his legal heirs or legal representatives, as the case may be. And finally, where the nominee survives the policy holder, the policy money shall be payable to the nominee. So, these are the principles and procedures and practices followed in regards to life insurance policies, and as such the very provisions that we have discussed as provided under Section 38 of the Insurance Act of 1938 in regards to assignment of life insurance policies and Section 39 of the Insurance Act of 1938 in relation to nomination facilities available to the policy holder, and as such we would like to discuss some other aspects relating to life insurance as such. The proof of age and death, the age of assured is a material fact. The insurance company demands a strict proof of age of the assured before satisfying any claim under a life policy. Age can be proved by a certified copy of an entry in the register of birth, horoscope, or any family record or document. So also, regarding settlement of insurance claim, on the death of the person assured or the expiry of the period specified in the policy, whichever is earlier, the amount of the policy can be claimed from LIC. When there is the question of settlement of insurance claim, one is the requirement proof of death in case the policy has matured due to the death of the assured. A satisfactory proof of death of the assured has to be furnished to LIC. And as regarding another settlement of insurance claim is the proof of age. In case the proof of age has not been furnished already, it will have to be submitted at the time when the policy becomes due for payment. And another requirement regarding settlement of insurance claim is proof of title. The person who files a claim with LIC should furnish the proof of his title to the amount of the policy. If the assured has not mentioned any nominee, the person filing the claim should establish his legal title to the amount of the policy. Generally, LIC requires succession certificate in such cases. So, for that very purpose of life insurance, in India, the very business of life insurance is falling under the Life Insurance Corporation Act 1956. The said act transferred all life insurance business in a statutory body called the Life Insurance Corporation. And the act laid down the laws relating to the corporation and detailed regulations as regards its working. In the discharge of its functions under the Act, the corporation shall be guided by such direction in matters of policy involving public interest as the central government may give to it in writing. So, these are all related to life insurance. And already we have discussed the provisions of the Insurance Act of 1938, and finally the government consolidated and formed a corporation, and it in 1956 as the Life Insurance Corporation in regards to regulate all kinds of life insurance policies in India. So, we have completed our lecture on life insurance.